Hey y'all, I'm Kori Ashton and you are finding the 18th video of a series of 30 that I'm doing here on my YouTube channel, all for free for you. And this is directly working off of a worksheet that I'm about to show you. So if you haven't had the opportunity yet, follow the links below to go over to my website. You can go ahead and take the free course if you'd like and download the worksheet and work ahead. There are 30 tips here, all on how to improve your organic rank inside of your WordPress website. Today is 18. Let's get to it. So number 18, can you add any videos to your site, to your website? So I know that creating videos can be anywhere from as simple as shooting one with your own phone all the way to a full-blown production. But how can you add video content today? Right now, as you're watching this, press pause, go over, either create video or find video to add to your WordPress website. I'm going to show you a couple of resources right now. This is a running live worksheet that I've created, and the link to it is in the description box below. I have several sheets in here. This is a Google sheet. You can come in and get access to all this, again, totally for free. I've got a list of different software in here, music options, video options, photos and icons and graphics and fonts and tutorials and more resources for SEO stuff. Social media resources in here. We've got all sorts of different things and we're constantly adding to them. But for this video, I wanted to show you this list. This is where you can go and get some free. You're going to see over here in my third column what the fees are. Some of these are going to be premium that you have to pay for access to these stock videos. Other options are going to be totally free stock video that you can go grab and either edit or use directly on your WordPress website. So it's very exciting to come in here and check out all these different resources. If you're trying to put something together on your own, there's quite a bit of different options here as well. And I want to add it to the mix right now. This is the one I've been using most recently. I think it's a really phenomenal resource, and it's called Filmora. Let's see, here it is right here. I'll show you what that looks like. This is Filmora. It really is very, very simple editing tools for you to edit just directly on your computer. I edit typically with my laptop, and very, very user-friendly, very, very simple. You don't have to have any other software, and the pricing on this is really, really not very expensive at all, and sometimes they even have specials running, so be sure to check that out. If you're a student, you can get a student discount as well. Drop in that link right there for you, and I'll go ahead and put in here premium, and of course you can probably get discounts if you are a student or an educator. Of course, another area that you can go is over to YouTube, and you can grab any of these videos that already exist and embed them in your site, right? You can embed video directly from YouTube, and you don't have to have any special permissions. If the creator of the content has allowed you to embed it, you can go over into the video, right? Go view the video that you want to embed. Go to the share option here, click on share, and then you're going to go right here to the embed option and grab this little bit of iframe code and drop that into your WordPress website. Once you do that, this video will then display on your website. The only caveat that I want to mention to that is you want to be certain that this is not advertising for any of your competitors, right? You want to be certain that it's, I guess, white labeled in a sense, where everything that the video is showing is appropriate for your audience, your content, your messaging. This worksheet alone is worth the value of y'all watching this video and coming over here and getting this link and checking out all these different resources. If you'd like to add to this list, please be sure to send me an email over off of askkori.com. I would love to add any of your other resources if you're not finding them already listed here. Be sure to send them to me in either a tweet, you can tag me in that, or send them to me in an email. Lastly though, why is it important to use video? I'll tell you right now that people are going to press play and watch a 30-second video, a 90-second video, a 3-minute video, a 15-minute video longer than they will read your long blog articles. So we know that people love video. We know that they share video. We know that it converts. And the longer people stay on your WordPress website watching videos like this, the longer the count is ticking, right? Google is always timing your users to see how long they stay on your website. So if they click play and watch a 6-minute video here on your WordPress website, then that time is counted toward letting Google know that the user found what they were looking for. And ultimately, that engagement, that conversion, that interaction improves your overall rank. So add as much video content as you possibly can. You guys, I know it's tricky to find good content for your WordPress website, but videos are super, super important. And I'm going to challenge you in the new year to try to add as much content as you can in video format. All right, be sure to click like and subscribe and hang out here with me because tomorrow we're on to number 19.